Dr. Laura Johnson here from Yellow Brick Physical Therapy and in Boulder, Colorado, and I want to say thank you so much for your purchase of your CoronaFit Care Kit. And I need to get one more thing. Here is a video of all the things you're getting as an introduction and a little intro to how to use these things. So they all come in your repurposable, purpose-driven bag from Noli Yoga. This is a brand, I know the owner, Christine, she's here in Boulder, and these, just so you feel safe and comfortable, these were left over from our women's wellness retreat last April, and they've just been sitting, the leftovers have been sitting in a stack in my place, so they weren't transported from anywhere at all. They've just been here. And then, thank you. You get a little thank you card from me, and your total body diagnostic gift card for getting the kit too. That's worth $100. And then your Yellow Brick Physical Therapy trucker hat. It's all the rage in Colorado. At least all the trail runners are using those, but I love mine. I like it a good lot. It's doing a chapstick for you and a few other goodies and freebies that are local to this area. And then the main tools that I have in there for you is the Theracane. It comes with a little owner's manual, and in the videos in my playlist that you're gonna get, that you'll see after this, you can also be very creative. One thing I love about this is it was created, and even says made in America, but created in Denver, Colorado. So I'm a native of Colorado and I'm in Boulder, so it's really nice to see that. It even says right here, Denver, Colorado on the side of it. And this can be used in all different self-release ways. So as a little bit of a massager, you certainly want to take that manual off, and a myofascial release tool. So look for the next video to introduce you to how best to use this funky looking tool. It's one of my favorites from even before I was in physical therapy school and before all of my experience in the profession. The other tool is your ABall, and this can be used in various ways to release pressure too. So it's a self-release tool. You can use it under your leg. I'm going to show you real quick, under your back, under your neck, under your front. You can lay on top of that. The big part is kind of knowing where to go, but you can be a little bit creative there too. If you have, for example, if you have a hip problem, you might put it right inside the hip in front. And if you have questions, definitely reach out so I can help you. But I'll be posting some videos to show you some ways to help yourself in various areas. So you get a ball, you get a looped band. This is a resistance band. Now, just to let you know, I don't get any kickback or have stock in any of these companies. I just really like all these things. The looped band is something you can use as resistance. If you put it around your legs, say above your knees, and I'll show you videos here on this. You can do a bridge with added resistance. You can bring it down above your ankles. You never want to have it around a joint, and you can do side steps or skater walks. I have some separate videos for you to watch in how to do these best. You can use it for some upper body resistance and all sorts of things. So it's a good all-around resistance tool without needing any weights or dumbbells or anything else. You can do a lot without resistance too, but this is a nice little, one of my favorites that I used in some of PT clinics along the way. We had a lot of people used to recover their strength with. And then look out for your mindful mobility video library. Well, if you're already watching this, you've hopefully seen this, and this is where you'll have a playlist of how to best use these tools and walking you through, guiding you through some movements, exercises, or releases using the tools in your kit. So thank you again for investing in your health, spending some time in areas that may need releasing or may need strengthening or may need helping, and I'm here to help you in any way I can. So reach out if you need anything and enjoy your kit. Thanks so much.